This is Gang Gang. So I'm not building Legos today. So yeah, I'm I'm taking here. Here is my truck. I built. So my truck. Here's the truck. A mud truck. So a mud truck. You know why it's a mud truck? A truck going through mud. So I'm not axle. So you have bump bed. The bumping cannot take off. So I just like this and like this. So take off. So yeah. So they have a person inside of the mantra. Here's the person inside of the mantra. So yeah, and he's the big old fat wheel. Here's the little wheels. I need to, I need to buy a big old wheel. So in the Toy Story, tomorrow. So yeah, the Toy Story shop. So yeah, I need to buy some Legos Monster Truck. So to take out the little tire to put the big wheels in it so to run and to make jumps. So I just built the mod truck. So the mod truck, see, just changed the side mirrors. I just changed the side mirrors. It's the right side mirrors. So it's just sorry to go up the stairs. Here's the other one. So yeah. So bye, gang gang.